Okay, so this is a shower caddy set that I got. And this is the brand Coraje. So it comes with several pieces and the adhesive for it. So you get, I'm so excited to try this. So you have two larger like racks for shampoo, stuff like that. So you have two of those. Two soap dishes, which also have the hooks for, you know, you can put your razor on there, a little loofah, whatever. So you have on both sides. And then you have this one, which is described as a toothbrush holder, but I mean, obviously you could put whatever you want in it. So it comes with directions on what surfaces will and will not work, installation instructions. From what I've read, it's important to make sure you know where you want them because this stuff really sticks. So we're gonna try it. This is what we're working with now, and I'm so sick of looking at it hanging like that. The idea of having them better organized is like giving me life. So I'm gonna hang them up. You attach the adhesives, wait 24 hours, and then you can attach the shelves and put stuff in it. So that's what we're gonna do. And I will show you what it looks like after I do that. So this is what they look like hung up. I'm not gonna fill them yet because I wanna let the adhesive dry.